नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वर्यादिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा. I welcome all of you to this auspicious journey from man to Sadashiva. Listen, I have called you all literally to become Sadashiva. It is time. I waited for kalpas in Kailasa, for decades in Bhuloka, years in Bidadi, hours in the swing. Now it is time to start. Kalpas and Kailasa, years in this planet Earth, hours on this swing. It is time to start. The auspicious time has arrived. Listen, many times people ask me, how do you look at us, Swamiji? I look at all of you as the souls started your journey from amoeba cell, single cell. Listen, for ages means thousands and thousands of years. You traveled from amoeba to fish, means every experience in the life. When amoeba starts living, everything it gathers strengthens its being. And it moves to the next level. From amoeba to fish, it was the level of physicality, body. From fish to monkey, it was the level of body and mind. Listen. It was body and mind. Mind means ability to perceive something about you more than body. Mind means your ability to perceive something more than the body. Understand? The experiences of the body, when it becomes voluminous, saturated, you move into the level of something more. Mind. When the experiences of the mind is saturated, Then you start moving towards something more. I should call consciousness. Listen carefully. Body, a single cell, accumulates many experiences with nature, moving. So many things happens in it, happens to it. When the experiences of the body gets accumulated, the better and better bodies are created. Amoeba moves to the next level, next level, next level. And amoeba becomes fish. In the fish level, the further accumulations of the body and further expansions of the body starts evolving to something more than body, which is called mind. Then mind starts growing its multi-dimensions. From fish evolves next, tortoise. From tortoise, then comes pig. Moving, up to the monkey. Up to monkey, body and mind, both has grown. Listen. After mind is saturated, from monkey to man, mind is saturated with so much of experiences. The next level, ability to reflect consciousness grows. You can call both consciousness grows or ability to reflect consciousness grows. When I look at you as the cell which started its journey crores of years before, now sitting here to have a big breakthrough from consciousness to superconsciousness. Understand, other than that, I do not see anything. I do not see your age, your body, your mind, your background, who you are not, your qualification, nothing matters. Nothing is useful for me. And nothing is useful for the cosmos. It is all child play. The castles built in the beach by the kids in the sand while they are playing is no way useful for you to live. All the castles all of you can build together is no way useful for me. Listen intensely. All the time you spend from amoeba to fish, fish to monkey, monkey to man, and man to my presence now. Even after becoming man, it is not that immediately you reached here. Births after births, you evolved, sometimes wasted, casually roaming around, sometimes confused, sometimes deluded, sometimes misguided, sometimes did not have the courage. So many ways you wasted the years. Now it is time. Consciousness takes the breakthrough into super consciousness. Listen, I am not talking about the purpose of human life. I am talking about the purpose of very life. What you have seen or what you know. Real me is here to give you the conscious breakthrough, to move you to the next level, to make you manifest Sadashivatva. What I mean by the word Sadashivatva, I'll explain, I'll describe. Listen intensely. Listen deeply. Just by listening, breakthrough can happen in your consciousness. You can start opening up. You can start manifesting. Understand the context first. Purpose why I called you is to make you Sadashiva. Give the conscious breakthrough. That is the first priority, I should say only priority. Listen, if you are thinking any other reason, those reasons are all wrong. Drop them all now. If you are having any other reason, whether you believe I called you for some other reason to build this ashram, I don't need ashram. That is why I proved myself 9 years without living in any property, ashram and all that. I have already established the fact I don't need anything. All by myself, I lived more than 9 years and showed. Just to tell you guys, I don't need anything only. I lived 9 years like that. Every word need to enter into your being, penetrate your being. I have not called you for anything else. The first priority and only priority is to make you Sadashiva, to give you the conscious breakthrough. That is the purpose. I am looking at you only as the life traveled from amoeba to Bangalore Adinam. Having physical growth, mental breakthrough, conscious evolution, now waiting to have a big superconscious jump. Understand it properly. It is only for the superconscious jump I have called you guys. And you are here. And I tell you, you are the salt of the universe. You are going to be the essence of the universe. Many more may join, but only after you. Now the whole world has to join. The whole world has to listen. Understand, I am telling you. Simply, universe has no choice other than following me. I know for what I have come, and universe has no choice. Simply it has to follow me. If it wants the breakthrough, if it wants to exist, and universe by its nature wants to have continuous breakthroughs. Expansion is universe, understand. Expansion is universe. The quality of the causeless expansion, there is no withdrawal in life. It is all only expansion, 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 expansion. That quality of continuous expansion is called Sadashiva. Shiva means causeless auspiciousness. Sadashiva means continuous causeless auspiciousness. Listen, universe has no other choice other than following me. Whole universe has to follow me. I am here to give next big breakthrough into superconsciousness. All these days, last 15 years, what I have done is just preparing the stage for this. Till now, whatever I expressed only was the dust from my padukas, not from my feet. Only now I am opening the briefcase I brought. Wait, I have luggage coming behind me. The Sadashivatva, I am opening the briefcase I brought in my hand. The hand luggage I am opening. Listen. Don't worry about marketing, spreading. Universe has no choice. They have to follow me. I am not just talking about human beings. I am talking about universe. It is time you manifest Sadashivatva and reach your purpose, goal of your existence. You manifest Sadashivatva, you reach your goal, your purpose. Whether You are a human being with a body sitting here, are the Siddhas and Rishis and Munis who have come here to attend and receive the initiation. At least 10 times more disembodied beings are here than the number of embodied beings. When you build with your effort 10 things, but suddenly result is happening 10,000 things, only then you will understand more than you, some more people are working for me. More than you, some more people are working for me. Listen. Whatever may be the purpose, you came here. When you started from your home, you want to reach Bengaluru Adhinam, but you came here, there, started driving here and there. You got lost. You don't know where the Bengaluru Adhinam is. You even forgot that you need to reach Bengaluru Adhinam. Suddenly, you see a board, ice cream shop, and you take a right turn. Just before reaching the ice cream shop, you see the board, oh, Nityananda Pidam, Bengaluru Adhinam. That is the way you landed here. Power manifestation is ice cream shop. Now I am telling you, whatever may be the reason you landed here, I am telling you the real purpose is becoming Sadashiva, radiating Sadashivatva, means living the state of Sadashiva, absolute completion, complete completion with yourself and all the questions with which you haunt yourself. Listen to this. Complete completion, absolute completion with yourself and all the questions with which you hurt and haunt yourself. Absolute Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Complete Nirvikalpa Samadhi is the foundation bed on which the whole conscious breakthrough happens. If powers are building, absolute Nirvikalpa Samadhi is foundation. Understand, you need a strong foundation for building to stand. Only with absolute Nirvikalpa Samadhi, complete completion, power manifestations becomes perfect. Complete completion and unclutched state is the foundation. That is what I call living the state of Sadashiva. Living the state of Sadashiva. Completion with yourself, completion with the death, completion with the fears, completion with the anger, completion with all the patterns, completion with root pattern, all that falls into this. All that falls into this. The absolute complete completion, the foundation, fundamental requirement. That is what is living the state of Sadashiva. Next, radiating the space of Sadashiva means being a leader, Ishvara. Ishvaratva, being a leader for other beings to evolve. Understand, responsibility and enriching comes here. Responsibility and enriching is not marketing yourself or marketing me. It is manifesting your leadership consciousness, Ishvaratva, to raise the other beings to Sadashivatva. Understand? Only with the right context, karma becomes karma yoga. Otherwise, even yoga becomes karma. With the right understanding, only karma becomes karma yoga. If not, even yoga becomes karma. Sit with your whole life, soul opening up. Listen. Vedas are being repeated. Agamas are being repeated. Sit with absolute listening space. If you listen, you can become one with Sadashiva like Devi. If you miss, like Sati, seeing the peacock or seeing this side and that side, getting distracted, you may have to go back to Mylapore as a peacock. You may have to go back to Bhuloka. Understand, Vedas are repeated, Agamas are repeated. Listen with that intensity. I am talking to your very life, your very soul. Sit with absolute intense listening. State of Sadashiva means complete completion, unclutched space, integrity and authenticity. All that forms the state of Sadashiva. When I say space of Sadashiva, Ishvaratva, manifesting, responsibility and being a leader for other beings, to move to the Sadashivatva. State means completion, unclutching, integrity, authenticity, all that. Space means being a leader, responsibility, enriching, causing, all this. Then comes manifesting, powers of Sadashiva. Understand, when you decide to be leader and lead people towards Sadashivatva, Sadashiva empowers you with all his powers. Understand, when you exhaust your 2 hands, he gives you 1,000 hands. When you exhaust using your 2 eyes, he gives you 1,000 eyes. When you have put everything to use, then he gives more. All power manifestation is for the sake of serving Sadashiva. When you lead people to Sadashivatva, you are empowered by Sadashiva with all the powers. Understand, manifestation of powers is not something which you can grab from me and run away. Sometimes people think, I'll just go and get my powers and come away and do what I want. He does not understand. Then even what you want will be only what I want. Listen. Drop all that silly thought currents. It is time to recognize your maturity. It is time to appreciate your own maturity. You have both in you. One side, a matured cognitions and personality. Other side, silly, stupid, puppy-lovish, false identity. It is time to appreciate this matured being, because this is the ship through which you will have the conscious breakthrough, not this silly. The silly guy is the broken boat. May have bar attached to it, but before even you drink, it will drink you. Listen carefully. It is time to start appreciating your own matured part. It is your matured part made you, pushed you, sometime without even you knowing yourself here, into this hall. There are many who built this hall, did not make it to this hall. There are many who don't even know me, seeing me first time yesterday, made it to this hall. Who gave land for it, money for it, built it, did not make it. Some absolutely new, first time seeing me only yesterday, made it. Understand, it is your cognitions makes it, not your actions. If you have made it, put your hand, both your hands on your head and bless yourself. You have done the best thing. You have done the best thing. You have done the best thing for you. Not just both the hands, you can even put both your legs if you are a yogi and bless yourself. your hands and legs, put everything on your head and bless yourself. You have made it. Listen. You might have taken the right turn for ice cream shop and landed here. Then remember, oh God, this is the purpose for which I started from my house. Now you need to drop the idea to go to the ice cream shop. You are going to have the ice cream here. Listen, whatever may be the purpose you landed here, whatever may be the purpose you landed here, I am telling you, this is the true purpose of you. Recognize this is the true purpose of you. True purpose of you is radiating Sadashivatva, living the state, space, manifesting powers. All three put together is what I call being Sadashiva. The state of Sadashivatva, space of Sadashivatva. That is your purpose. Manifesting powers of Sadashiva. That is your purpose. Recognize that. Recognize that. Now, recognize that as your purpose. Let's have a conscious breakthrough. Recognizing this as your purpose. The moment you recognize this as your purpose, conscious breakthrough starts. The superconscious breakthrough starts. Decide to recognize this as your purpose. Do not wait for your mind to be convinced. Listen, if you are waiting for your mind to be convinced and you want to start the journey, you are waiting for the waves to settle down to take bath in the ocean. When you go against the waves and take bath, only then you can even have samudra snana, bathing in the ocean. If you are waiting for the waves to settle down, you are never going to take bath. Listen. If you are waiting to develop your mind, listen carefully. If you are asking your permission from your body to develop your mind, you are not going to get permission. You break and develop the mind. That is why it is called breakthrough. Same way, if you are asking your mind to give permission to build a consciousness, it is never going to give you yes. It's like you are waiting for your spouse's permission to have extramarital affair. If you get permission, something is seriously wrong. If you get permission, something is seriously wrong. If you are waiting for your mind to be convinced to have a conscious breakthrough, you are not going to achieve it. You just have to take a step and break from the mind. That is what is conscious breakthrough. Now, If you are waiting for your consciousness to be convinced, this is your purpose. Manifesting Sadashiva is your purpose. Your consciousness is never going to be convinced or giving you permission. You decide and understand this is my purpose and have a breakthrough. That breakthrough is what I call will persistence. That breakthrough is what I call will persistence. With will persistence, decide manifesting Sadashivatva. Manifesting Sadashiva is my life. Becoming Sadashiva is my purpose. Do not wait for your mind or consciousness to be convinced. If you are waiting for that, it is never going to happen. With your will persistence, decide to enter into Sadashivatva. Come on. Let me ask you, how many of you are ready with will persistent to decide to enter into Sadashivatva? Because with this foundation, I am leading you. Everyone who raised the hand, I commit by holding all your hands. I lead you to Sadashivatva. All the hands raised. I am leading you. I am connecting with you. Let's move. Let's move ahead. Sit. Let's make a sankalpa with will persistence. Sit straight and repeat with me with your whole soul. With integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching and causing, keeping Sadashiva as a basic principle of life. Hereby, I declare with all my will persistence, manifesting Sadashivatva is the goal of my existence. That is the purpose of my existence. I move towards that. It is with this will persistence we will move into Sadashivatva, into the conscious breakthrough, into superconscious breakthrough. I am revealing what is being revealed only in Kailasa. Why? Kailasa is for teachings. Vaikuntha is for celebration, Teachings, to receive, you need a certain atmosphere, certain ambience. People who decided hell with the food and sleep are only Shivaganas. You need that kind of an ambience. Other than the spiritual process, nothing else matters. I need that kind of an ambience here. Living the state means completion, unclutching, integrity, authenticity. Radiating the space means being a leader for other beings to realize the Sadashivatva, responsibility, enriching, causing, manifesting the powers means what you think as extraordinary because of your wrong bringing up. Understand absolutely. What you think as extraordinary because of your wrong bringing up. What you think you have been told as a common standard. Breaking that and manifesting the absolute as it is through your body and mind is manifesting powers. Understand? The first myth you need to break. What has been wrongly taught to you? After all, people who taught you till now are human beings. Forgive them. You don't need to be angry with them, but do not allow them inside you. Get rid of everyone. Understand? Unless you break the standards they taught you, you are not going to have a superconscious breakthrough. Superconscious breakthrough means breaking all the standards you have been taught. You have been told so many lies. So many false theories, ideas. For example, if somebody uses certain words towards you, you have to become sad. It's a false belief put inside you. Many of the ideas you carry, actually still I cannot understand, when somebody praises and blames, what is the both? Just sounds. Still I can't understand. That is why many of my reactions will look really actions. Many of my reactions are just I am acting so that you feel safe. You are talking to human being. Most of my reactions, actually I don't have reactions, that is different. It is just to make you feel comfortable you are talking to a human being. Otherwise you get shaken. What is this both? Just words. Chick, 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 chick. So many lies have been taught to you. Even the idea of pain, ideas of suffering, ideas of good and bad, ideas of right and wrong. Listen carefully. The ideas, how your mind is supposed to function, inserted into you by the society is the software with which you are functioning. If you have been told or you see people sleeping after food, you will pick up the same thing. Any of you have observed a teenage boy grows up in India, teenage boy grows up in US. Please understand, I am talking about NRI kids. Not even food change, because most of the Indians now in US, they get everything from Indian stores. It's not that they eat the local food, no. I can give you some 10 big examples. The kids, Indian kids, just their cousin brothers, growing up in US, see their body structure. It is nothing to do with food or anything. The belief system. Oh, in this age, I will be like this. Because they see their friends, classmates. That is one of the major reasons. Listen carefully. I can give you some example. Our Gurukul kids, their sisters or brothers, these kids are so well built, tall, because they are constantly seeing me. No, their brothers, no, it's not. Understand what I am trying to tell you. Their brothers or sisters, I can give you many examples. What you see, what you believe matters, and you have been given so many false ideas. Power manifestation is nothing but breaking all the false ideas you fed into your system, deleting the old software and downloading the new software. And I want you to know, repairing of the old software is not possible. It's not possible. All these other guru fellows teach that only. No, you can repair the old software. Blow the nose 20 times. Yes, if you blow the nose 20 times, 10 times you will blow the blower. 20 up and 10 down. That's all. Okay, very good for digestion and loose motion. But that is not going to upgrade yourself or raise yourself to the next. Understand, keeping your body healthy is not religion. Health. Okay. Conscious breakthrough only is spirituality. Listen carefully. Erasing, deleting all the wrong ideas you have been taught about body, mind, life, time. If you do one work, you cannot do another work. That is one of the worst lie which has been taught to you. Whatever you need to do, either you do everything or you don't do anything, is the truth. All successful people do everything. All failure people don't do anything. That's all. There is no such thing as I do one thing properly. No, absolutely no. Any of you are telling your boss, I will do one properly, you are cheating your boss. Any of you are telling yourself, I will do one very absolutely perfectly, you are cheating yourself. Understand, these are fundamental laws of life. Fundamental truths of life. I bless you all. Let's all be successful.